Hello, it's Becky from BYD Crewe showing you this wonderful BYD Seal U. This is a 1.5 petrol plug-in hybrid and a comfort edition. This has an automatic transmission and finished in this gorgeous grey. It has LED headlights, offer superb visibility and also sits on these 19-inch bi-colour alloy wheels. It comes equipped with this 26.6 kWh plug-in hybrid battery which has up to a 78 of electric range and supports 11 kW AC and 18 kW DC charging, taking roughly 35 to 59 minutes to charge from 30 to 80%. This vehicle also benefits from an electric tailgate to easily open when your hands are full, as well as offering a generous amount of storage space. You can easily close the boot using this button. Stepping into the back now with the vegan upholstery and the green stitching with cup holders and air vents too. The multifunctional steering wheel allows you to access cruise control as well as volume as well. This vehicle also benefits from 360-degree parking cameras, and you can switch the screen to get the vantage point that you'd like. You also have a 3D view as well. You also have access to satellite navigation, which shows on the big screen to help you on those unfamiliar journeys. You can scroll in and out to get the vantage point you'd like. You can also adjust the seat settings with the heated or ventilated seat option, as well as accessing your heated steering wheel here as well. On the main ventilation screen, you can see you've got a dual zone climate control system where you can adjust the fan in the centre, and also on the sides you can adjust each side of the vehicle to suit you and your passengers' comfort. You can also change the fan direction, change from aircon or heat easily too. This vehicle has you entertained with the DAB radio, as well as being able to connect your phone via Bluetooth to listen to your own music. Thank you for watching, and to book a test drive or inquire, please call our dealership today and we'd be happy to help.